Hey Rocky, this is Paul Heck with Graspire Digital Marketing. I talked to Paula about sending you guys a video just to show you 3 things that you can do today to help bring you some more customers. This is going to be what you can do in your online presence to boost it up in the search rankings so that when people search for, auto insurance, Rogers, Arkansas, for example, that your name comes up at the top and more people click on that, go to your website, actually give you a call. I'm going to approach this from the side of like what your website can do for you. There's also other things that you can do from running Google ads, Facebook campaigns, and things like that. But I'm going to show you what you can do on your website and what you need to do to actually get it to rank in Google search. So I call this the free attack plan. It consists of 3 things. So it's going to be your name, address, and phone number listed on as many online directories as possible. It's getting the content on your website that actually on your homepage that actually has the correct search terms in it that people are actually searching for in our area. And then the third thing is going to be backlinks. So these are links from other websites that link to yours that is going to boost you up in the strength ratings of Google. It's going to make your website stronger. Doing those 3 things, as well as enhancing your Google business profile in different ways, which I won't talk about in this particular example. But doing all of those things together creates this just really strong web. And when Google crawls your site, they push you up in the search ranking. So just for instance, I typed in auto insurance Rogers, Arkansas. You can see a lot of people are running ads against that search term. You've got an ad here as well. And then you've got 3 people in this map section. This is where enhancing your Google business profile can actually push you up into these top 3 positions. That takes time to do that, but it's definitely something that we can do to get you to rank higher when someone searches for you, and you're found in that map section. The section down below that is the organic section. This is where you want to be found near the top 3 positions as close as possible. And I'm going to look at a couple of competitors. I've got the State Farm pulled up and Rogers Insurance pulled up as well, just so you can see what they're doing and why they're ranking higher than where you guys are right now. So if I look at your website, if I look at this, I can see, you've got some nice graphics on here. It's real easy to navigate. It's real clean. Some things that I like to see are these Google reviews. You definitely want to see some, the 5 stars on there and such. But what is really lacking is content. You don't have very much content at all on this. There's no keywords that you're really going to be found for, when Google crawls this site. So that's something that we want to get fixed for sure. You need a minimum of 1,500 words of content. It needs to be keyword rich. So I do a lot of research on the keywords, and I'll show you that here real quickly. We're going to get that content right on your site. It's definitely one of the things you need to do. Looking at your competitors, Rogers Insurance, this is their auto insurance page because that's what pulled up when I searched for Google. And you can see they've got some content here. They've got some keywords in that that's getting them to pull up for that. But they don't have nearly enough of what they need on that to stay, high up in the search ranking. So easily beatable by doing the right things. If you look at nationwide on Arkansas homeowners insurance, that was another one that pulled up when I searched for Arkansas homeowners insurance. They've got Arkansas homeowners insurance right there, the keyword. Your Arkansas homeowners coverages might be another keyword. Those are things that we would determine when we do further research for your proposal. But again, a lot of content on their page, and you've got to get more content and more relevant content than what they have to outpace them is one of the things we need to do. So looking at the State Farm Arkansas Rogers page, just to show you what keywords they're being found for. Car insurance Rogers, Arkansas. Get searched 40 times a month, is a difficulty of 9. That takes a few months to outbeat those guys, outrank them. You've got car insurance with a comma, Rogers, Arkansas. You can see another 40 searches. Insurance, Rogers, Arkansas, 60 searches. Auto insurance, Rogers, Arkansas, another 30 searches. House insurance, Arkansas, it's got 30 searches a month. And this is just the Rogers or Arkansas term. I would definitely look at this for Bentonville, Northwest Arkansas. It's just going to be a matter of determining what actual search is being done. If I look on the homeowner side of things, you can see Arkansas homeowners insurance, 150 searches a month, AR home insurance, 100 searches a month. So you can see as these small quantities of 40, 60, 100, 150 all add up, we can get to where we've got several thousand searches a month. And what we're trying to do is capture as much of that search landing on your website as possible, so that your phone rings when somebody's looking for these things. If I back up and look at just how strong your website is currently, I've got your website in here. You have a 10 URL rating and a 0.5 DR. This is very weak. It's not the weakest I've seen by any means, but we definitely need to do some things to strengthen that. You're being found for 14 different keywords right now, and you've got 19 backlinks coming, or your backlinks are coming through 19 different referring domains. So we want this to be balanced. Somewhere closer to 1-to-1 ratio is going to be the best, but we want this number to be a lot higher and a lot stronger. If I look at the keywords you're being found for right now, those are going to be really things with your name in the search term. There's insurance, Springdale AR, you can see 60 searches a month. You're in position 14 for that. We want to enhance that and make that stronger. Auto insurance, Springdale AR, you're in position 29. You're on the third page of Google. Nobody's ever going to go there to look for insurance. They've got 30 other guys in front of you they're already calling. But 40 searches a month and the 1. I love to see those 1s and 0s because that means that we can rank for those faster. Looking at how many backlinks you have, just real quick, and showing the strength on those: a 4, a 1, a 1, and everything else is a 0. We just got to get stronger. You definitely got to get stronger on that. If you look at the State Farm backlinks, easily beatable, just getting the appropriate backlinks coming to your site. If I look at Rogers Insurance, you can see their strength. Now this is just for their auto insurance, a 2 and a 6, very weak as well. Easily beatable. They've got 4 referring domains coming from 18 backlinks and 19 organic keywords. It's all about getting the right amount of strength to beat your competitors for whatever keywords they're being ranked for, and building a program, building a strategy to attack and to dominate is the way I like to do things. So the name, address, and phone number, I will look at how many citations, that's what we call those, your competitors have, compare those against you. Say they have 20, 25, we're going to go after another 100, 125. I want them to always be paying second place on how many online directories your business is listed on. We look at the strength of the backlinks profile of your competitors. We go try to match them and then add additional strength on top of that so that we're outranking them all the time. They're, again, always playing catch up, and we're dominating in that factor. And we've already built out the strategy for your keywords. So being that you guys do auto and home and life and business insurance, that can start to get to be a fairly robust website. So we can build a strategy out for each of those individually, all together. If you want to attack this all at one time, you can definitely organically grow this thing and do part now, part later. But it's something that I'd love to talk to you more about if this is of interest to you. But doing all these things will push you up in the search ranking and get more of your the customers you're trying to get to find you, to click on your website and give you a call. So love to talk to you further about your business, how you're trying to grow, what areas are most profitable. That's where I would want to focus. I base everything off of ROI. So I'm trying to help you grow your business. If I'm helping you grow your business, that's just how it works. It's going to be a positive thing for me as well. So if this is of interest to you, let's jump on a call sometime, talk about your business, how you want to grow, what's most profitable for you, and just figure out what is the best strategy to move forward in this. Appreciate your time, and leave me any comment that you can on the video, and would love to talk to you soon. Thanks.